Hey there! Diving into the world of cryptocurrency can be thrilling, but also a bit daunting. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to read crypto charts like a pro. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll feel way more confident. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about what a crypto chart actually is. Simply put, a crypto chart is a visual representation of the price movements of a cryptocurrency over time. Now, the most common type of chart you'll come across is the candlestick chart. Why candlesticks? Because they offer a lot of information in a compact form. Each candle shows the opening, closing, high, and low prices for a specific time period. So let's break it down. Each candle has a body and wicks. The body shows the opening and closing prices. If the body is green, it means the closing price was higher than the opening price, which is good news, prices went up. If the body is red, it means the closing price is lower than the opening price, so prices went down. The thin lines above and below the body are called wicks or shadows. They show the highest and lowest prices during the time period. So, a long wick means there was a lot of price movement. Next, let's talk about time frames. Charts can be set to different time frames like 1 minute, 15 minutes, 1 hour, or even 1 day or more. Shorter time frames are great for day trading, while longer ones are better for long-term investments. Now on to volume. Volume shows how much of the cryptocurrency was traded during a specific period. High volume can indicate strong interest and can confirm price movements. Another crucial aspect is trend lines. They help you see the overall direction of the market. An uptrend shows that prices are generally rising, while a downtrend means prices are falling. Drawing these lines can help you predict future movements. Lastly, don't forget about indicators. Indicators like the moving average, MA, or relative strength index, RSI, can provide extra insights. For example, the MA smooths out price data to help you see trends better, and the RSI can tell you if a cryptocurrency is overbought or oversold. And that's a wrap. With these basics, you're well on your way to reading crypto charts like a pro. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep observing, and soon these charts will feel like second nature. Thanks for watching and happy trading.